So brides often ask me, how do I choose the perfect headpiece? Well, first things first, I would love to invite you to consider your dress. Is your dress very extravagant? In which case, you may want to opt in for a headpiece that is a contrast to that. Something subtle, maybe more minimalist, maybe more modern. Um, or if your dress is very minimalist, very kind of modern and perhaps satin, straight line, then you may want to opt in for something a little bit more bolder at the top to create a beautiful contrast. But equally, I would say it is down to your heart. What do you feel good with? What do you feel good wearing? Trust yourself. That is my number one recommendation.